it is?
Who's
Oh,
that?
I
is that?
see it.
Who is that handsome boy?
Get mommy over there. Look at mommy.
Hi,
She's got her mouth
I can do that too, ready?
open. We did this with him last year, and he never even knew what I
Oh,
was doing.
Dad, tell her.
Go
To...
ahead,
I
Graham.
did it for him.
Grandma,
He was
cut the
there.
hair.
I can't. I have to wait till he holds his head.
He's
still.
been still.
He's
You've
fine.
been talking.
He's fine. He's looking at himself now.
I can't touch the comb to his head. He knows I touched it.
Yeah, he does, Joe. That's hard.
What?
Mikhail.
What happened?
Mikhail, look.
I cut a couple pieces.
Where's your tongue?
Who's that? Oh, look, he's got tongue sticking out.
Is
Oh.
Can he see Grandma?
No.
What?
it? You can feel her.
Right.
A peekaboo.
Handsome boy.
Can I be in the picture?
I can't touch him. You know, as soon as I put my hand on him.
Okay.
Hey.
Oh, what's a
What?
day?
There was a truck outside. Okay, you want mommy? You want mommy?
That's not how you imagine.
We don't want to traumatize the poor
Let me see it.